You're trying to pair your Xiaomi Redmi A5 with another device, but when you check the Bluetooth list, your phone either doesn't show up or gets lost among similar device names. A simple way to fix this is by giving your phone a unique Bluetooth name so it's easy to recognize and connect to. Here's how to change your Redmi A5 Bluetooth name on Android 15. Open Settings. Tap Connected Devices. Next, tap Connection Preferences. Select Bluetooth from the list and make sure the switch next to Use Bluetooth is turned on. Under Device Name, you'll see the current Bluetooth name assigned to your phone. To change this, tap the device name, enter the new name you want to use, then tap Rename to save your changes. Alternatively, you can rename your device by heading to Settings, Connected Devices, then tap Pair New Device. Here, you will see your device name. Tap it, enter the new name you'd like to use, then tap Rename to save and apply new changes. After renaming, go to the other device's Bluetooth settings and rescan for available devices. Select the new name you assigned to your Redmi A5 to start pairing. Make sure both devices have Bluetooth turned on and are close to each other during the connection process. You can rename your device again anytime by returning to the same menu and repeating the steps. And that's it. If this helps you make Bluetooth pairing easier, give it a like or watch another tutorial to discover more useful features on your Redmi A5. Thanks for watching.